Conrad Sangma today took oath as the Chief Minister of Meghalaya along with his full cabinet. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah were also present on the occasion. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad has vowed to continue working for the overall development of the state. He said this after taking the oath as the Chief Minister. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today said that the government policies related to financial inclusion have made crores of people part of the formal financial system. Modi stated this while addressing the post-budget webinar on enhancing efficiency of the financial services for creating growth opportunities. In Nagaland, Neuphu Rio will be sworn in as the Chief Minister for the fifth term at the Capital Cultural Hall, Kohima. At 1:30 p.m., the NDP-BJP alliance won a thumping majority of 37 seats in the 60 assembly constituencies. The maiden joint military exercise Fringex 23 between Indian Army and French Army will be conducted at Pangkot Military Station, Thiruvananthapuram in Kerala today and tomorrow.